Can we withdraw crypto from Wealthsimple? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's understand the step-by-step guide for withdrawing funds from Wealthsimple crypto account. First and foremost, head over to the Wealthsimple application and log in. For this, you can either use the biometric or the password. Once you have logged in, you will land to this interface. Now from the home page, you have to go to the Transfers or the Move tab. This is usually on the right side of the search bar. Tapping on it, you'll see different options from where you can select withdraw or transfer. But here is a limitation for withdrawal. You cannot withdraw actual cryptocurrency, which is examples such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which means it cannot be directly transferred or withdrawn to another wallet. Instead, Wealthsimple only allows you to withdraw the monetary value, that is in fiat currency associated with your crypto holdings. So, in order to withdraw the funds, you have to sell your cryptocurrency holdings. This will now convert them into fiat currency, which is USD or CAD. Now, once it is sold, the funds become available in your Wealthsimple account for withdrawal. Choose whether to send the funds such as your bank account or debit card, and you can proceed with the transfer. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.